That's all about gas pricing and the outcome expected tomorrow. For now, we'll focus again on the markets, and we have Shrikant Chouhan who's joining us for a quick technical check as well. Shrikant, good afternoon. Thanks a lot for joining us. Well, what are you suggesting? What are the charts looking like now?
Yeah, good afternoon. I think, markets have broken its all-time high at 18,604. And again, if we see the overall broader breadth of the market, then it is improving in today's date. So it clearly indicates that we are going to see furthermore higher highs in the near term. We are expecting market to move towards the levels of at least 18,800 to 18,900 sort of levels. And the strategy should be to look for adding long position if there is any correction in the short term. Yes, now as the market has broken its previous high and large cap companies have already started participating, I think now mid cap and small cap companies should also participate in the near term. And in that, we like GAIL, Gas Authority, which is currently trading around some 93.75, 94. Here, the pattern is clearly indicating us that it is heading for the levels of at least 98, 99 in the near term. So it's a buy at current levels with a stop loss at 91 on the downside. And as most of the anchors and most of the analysts guessed, they were discussing about the IT companies. I think in that space, we like Naukri, Infoedge.com, which is currently trading around 3995, 4000 sort of levels. Here we are expecting stock to move towards at least 4400 in next maybe few weeks, but in the near term, 4200, 4250 is also seems achievable. So it's a buy at current levels with a stop loss at 3900 on the downside.
Thank you very much, Shrikant, for joining in. And that's true, right? A lot of the experts we've spoken to over the last couple of days seem to indicate that this is the time to buy IT, or perhaps in the early part of 2023, you are going to get an entry point into IT. So if not today, but in the next 6 months, given the valuation correction that we've seen, the fact that the Nifty IT index is still 20% away from its lifetime high levels, and maybe sometime at the beginning of Q3 FY23 earnings, we will have clarity from the management about what the budgeting cycle is going to look like for 2023. Are budgets really going to get cut, even if there is a recession, or tech budgets will continue to remain intact? I think once we get clarity from the companies in January, at the beginning of the year, there would be a lot of buyers. At least that's what seems to be the indication and the read-through from the analysts that we're talking to.